what you need to make this awesome quiz card is you have two of these. You do put this one here and this one. Then you just take two of these. Put them here, okay? And then flip it over, put it here, then flip it over for the side we were on again, then you put it here, flip it over, get this steering wheel, then get this. Wow. Oh, so you do this here, and then you get these two to go right beside the green and the red. Next page is dashboard and two single twos. Then you put the dash here, put the twos here, and then a 3, which was hiding under my instructions, which I could not see, which is awful, which is really funny, and then this white, gray, really white, brown goes right in front of it. Then we need 4 fenders, if you heard that, and 4. If you have this set, I should say that on the end. And I'll say, and I forgot. So it needs 2 axles. If you forget that, just look at your instructions. And if you miss a page, you'll see it when it's halfway through. Then the next page is, the back here. We just need 2 little guys. I left it like that. We just need 2 little guys. Now we have 2. We just need 2 of them and these pipes to go in the front. It's just 2 little dots with holes in the middle. And it kind of looks like a spring, just it's not a spring, it's pipes. They'll put it on the back of the car, and it just gave me a little scratch, which hurt. And now 2 3x3 squares. And you put it here, which I did not know these even assisted. So now, which this is very weird, and you put it here, right here, next to 4 and a single blue 2, which the 2 will go at the end to keep it together. A black 4 will keep it together too. Now, 2 of these yellow parts, which go this way, the flat part of it goes facing this way. Then the other flat part, then the other flat part faces this way, which has the part that holds it staying up. You put it here. Next, you want two of these where you put stickers on. But I already made this one, and I took it apart, so the stickers are already on. So I just put it right in front of the yellow parts. That's what you guys would do if you want to buy this from Christmas or birthday or goodbye gift from your grandparents or your aunt and uncle. Next, you will want to make the front bumper, which is all I made. Here it is. And it goes in the front with where the steering wheel is and the dashes. This kind of ramp part, which you do not need to put a sticker on. It just is the paint of it. It's just the painted color. Now you want two white grills. They're kind of like a jump. They will go right next to that ramp part with the police and the police symbol. Next, you need a forest, two dots on one dot on each side. You put it right here. On the next side, two of these. Wait, where is it? So my mom just got it for me. Now we put it right next to the black 4, which it will be 2 6s. Then we'll go into where the guy sits. Now the next page will be 2 seagull ramp 6s. Then you put them right facing here. And now these, which is a ramp and then you'll put 2 blue seagull 2s right here. Then you'll do these, which if you put them together, it will make this. This is what it will make. But you put them on 2 different sides of where you're gonna put the 2, hook them on the 2 feathers right in front of the one blue 6, seagull blue 6, which is 2 of them. Now you do the tail back, which is another 6, which you put a sticker on. I already have the sticker on because I already made this. Now you put it like this in the back. Now you have 2 white ramps in this one here. Then you put the white ones looking like this, but farther forward. Then you put it, and then you put the other one farther backwards, same as this one. I meant to say farther backwards. Now you take a lead 2, which is flat. You put it on the black part, kind of looks like ketchup. Just it's a 2. Next, you put the windshield on, which is blue. Clear blue, kind of like water. But it's not water, it's a windshield. And you put it here, right here. Next, you do the side width. Next, you do the roof, which you need a sticker which says 20. 02. Then you put it here. You also need a dark blue seagull for siren, which I have 2 of these, but one is a seagull 2, clear light blue siren. Then you get 4 wheels like this. Then you put the lever on. They go like this. But what they actually go like is this way. But I want it to go like this. You can do it any way you want, but not like this. Because that would make it go sideways, like this way. He would go off track, crashing into all the buildings if it was a police game and he crashes into the buildings, but you try not to. And so what you do to make the guy is you have this blue pants, which you don't have to put together because they're already made. Then the body is already made. Then you put this together, makes his body. Then you put the head on, and then this white gray hair. Then you sit his body down, put your arm, make his arms go out. There's no button to make the arms go out, so you just need your hands to make the arms go out. Then you put it in. If he doesn't go in all the way, just put your fingers on his legs. Then what you do, then after that, you take it up. Then you put the roof on. Look around, check if there's any cracks. Check the front, which there is a crack here. And there was a little crack in the back. Now there's not. Now, so watch this video on YouTube and ask your parents if you're allowed to watch one on YouTube. And if you have YouTube, you have to ask your parents if you have parents. Subscribe to my YouTube, and this was from Christmas. It also comes with a helicopter, a police helicopter, which is right here, and it comes with a red bag I car. Just I wanted to put its windshield farther forward, farther backwards, then put a roof on, which is the same color as the police car.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this YouTube video.